Hey, what's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. About to give you a real quick demo of iTunes Cloud, and these are all the new features that Apple just announced at WWDC here recently. That's going to be able to sync all of your devices, your iOS devices, I'll say, your iPhone, your iPod Touch, and your iPads, synced up with the desktop version of iTunes on your Mac or your PC. So right now I'm going to give you a demo of how it works. So right now I'm in iTunes on my Mac here, and again this works on the PC side as well. And I say if I go ahead and download a song here, I'll download the song from Coldplay. I'll go ahead and start downloading that song. You see it's downloading at the top. Now, if I leave the house for any reason, I forget to sync my iPhone to my computer or get ready to do a road trip, whatever the cause, I can go here now on the iTunes application on my iPhone, and now you have go down to the purchase section here at the bottom, and now you can see it breaks it down to all purchases that you ever bought with this specific iTunes account, or it'll be broken down to just these songs that are not on this iPhone itself. So right now you can go ahead and scroll through, different all of them in alphabetical order if you wanted to. And now we go into the recent purchases tab here, and we'll be able to see that song that I just downloaded on the desktop version of iTunes. You'll be able to see that right then and there, and it has a little cloud button. If I tap that cloud button, it'll go ahead and start downloading that song, or I can choose to hit the download all button and download all the songs that I don't have currently on my iPhone. Now this also works the same with the App Store as well. So if you go into the App Store here, you can do the same thing with all the applications that are on your desktop and version of iTunes. You can go ahead and download those right on your iPhone without having to search through the App Store or think about it. And now, like I said before, this also works vice versa too. So if you want to do the same thing, if you download a song on your iPhone and you want to get it over to your iTunes account without having to plug your iTunes in, or you may not have your device at the moment, you can go into purchase tab here over to the left and go down here to the bottom right hand corner. It says download previous purchases. So you hit that button there and it brings up this nice little layout here. So if I did buy a song, it would have been populated right here and available for me to download into the iTunes. Now again, this also works for the applications as well. So you'll be able to look at all your applications if you wanted to, and the same thing for your iBooks. Now you can have all of this stuff, all of this magic that Apple will probably call it. You can have all these things happen automatically if you wanted to. So if you go into the settings, whether on your iPhone or here on the desktop, here I'm going to preferences here. And if I go into the store, I can choose to say have the music, the applications, and the books download automatically here. So I go ahead and check mark those. So now anytime I download a song or an application on my iPhone, I don't have to go into this little section anymore. It will automatically be synced over to my iTunes account. And the same thing, if I would go into that same settings on my iPhone, you'll see it there. It's the same exact thing. Now the one feature that is missing that Apple talked about is iTunes Match. That's not available at the moment. And that part will definitely be coming in the beta a little bit later on, but it will for sure be coming out in the fall as well, like Apple has mentioned. Now again, you can do this over Mac or PC. If you want to have iTunes on your Mac or your PC, it will work just fine with your iOS device. Also too, this will work over Wi-Fi or 3G. You do have the option in the settings though on your phone to choose it whether you want to download with 3G, to be mindful of your data caps. So anyway guys, this is a quick look at iTunes Cloud here. Please leave a comment down below about what you think about it so far. It is very easy, very simple to use. It's very intuitive, and the Apple's always good about that, implementing these new features into their devices that I think anybody will be able to pick up and go. That's my little take on it. I'm interested to see what you think about it. But thanks for watching guys, and I will catch you later. Peace.